now.
Filipinos deserve a secure term. I tell my enemies, stop molesting me, you Mongoloids. The battle or the fight is asymmetrical. Hindi sila magkapantay. Kasi itong isa is a full state with all the requisites of a...
Now watch me whip, kill it. Now watch me nay nay. Okay. Now watch me whip, whip. Watch me nay nay. Why me do? Now watch me whip, kill it. Watch me.
Session resumed. Session suspended.
What we have done is we will continue the libreng sakay, but we are going to stop the libreng sakay in MRT 3. We will transfer the libreng sakay to students. Sorry, I think I'm doing this wrong.
Alam mo, tingin ko, minumulto ka.
Kasi sir yan.
Yan. Hindi! Oh my God! Okay na!
Anong ginawang rason ni Pangulong Bongbong Marcos? Interpol! Bullshit!
This is not drugs. Huh? This is two joints. Diba? Two joints. Drugs ba yun? Ayaw.
Ayaw.
Ayaw, huli kita. Sino ang paboritong Pokemon ng mga kakampings?
Alam ng ano ko yan. Sino? Sino, ma'am?
Pikachu!